Do you want to look up and save vocabulary from PDF documents on your phone? This video will guide you on how to look up and save words, how to translate specialized vocabulary, how to adjust settings to fit your reading habits on PDF files when using your phone. First, make sure you have downloaded the new version of the eJOY English app. If not, you just need to search for the keyword eJOY English 2 in the App Store or Google Play Store. Then, select the eJOY icon with a new tab and download the app. To look up words on a PDF file, follow these steps. First, open the eJOY app, go to Material section, select the book icon, and then upload the PDF document from the phone. If you already uploaded PDF documents to the app, you can go to Products, select Document to view the list of previously uploaded documents. Then choose the document you want to read. And now you can read the PDF files directly on the eJOY English 2 app. Please note that for the Android devices, you need to switch to reading mode by tapping the glasses icon at the bottom. If you encounter new words, simply touch them to look them up. Press the arrow icon to view all information about the vocabulary, such as translation, definition, word family, example sentences, collocation, synonyms, slang. To translate entire phrases or long paragraphs, simply highlight the entire passage. eJOY will display a window with the translation. If you like the prose in the section, you can save it for review later by hitting the Add button. You can also edit phrases and translations as you wish before saving. So, what happens if you still don't understand the translation content? For instance, the term power user is translated literally, which might be hard to understand. In this case, you can use AI Explain. This will guide you a detailed and clear explanation of specialized terms. The AI has explained this phrase in both English and Vietnamese, along with an example sentence. So, a power user is someone who is highly engaged and active users of a product or service. You can also use AI to explain longer text in a much simple way by pressing the AI Explain icon in the lookup window. To adjust the reading mode, do the following steps. Tap the glasses icon at the bottom to switch to reading mode. Click on the setting icon. Here, you can adjust the font size of the text. Change the color of the word lookup window to white or black. Turn scrolling mode on or off while reading. Automatically display English meanings when looking up words. Automatically pronounce the words when looking up. Choose the reading voice when listening to the audio. If you want to practice listening to English with a PDF file, tap on the first word of a passage you want to listen to, then tap on the speaker icon. The app will read aloud the entire passage, starting from the word you looked up with the default reading voice or the voice you selected.
The first three groups encompass your total active users at any given time.
Now you know how to look up and save vocabulary from PDF files with the eJOY English 2 app. Let's use this feature whenever you read a PDF file.